Avocados are one of the most talked about superfoods today, and for good reason. This creamy green fruit is packed with nutrients that can transform your health. Let's break it down. Nutritional powerhouse. A single avocado is packed with nutrients, providing an excellent source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, dietary fiber, potassium, vitamin E, vitamin K, and folate. Unlike most fruits, avocados are naturally low in sugar and rich in healthy fats, making them a unique and satisfying food that can fit into many different eating patterns. The monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, help support heart health and improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins from other foods. Avocados also contain smaller amounts of vitamin C, several B vitamins including vitamin B6, niacin, and pantothenic acid, as well as magnesium, which supports muscle and nerve function, bone health, and energy production. Thanks to this impressive combination of healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, avocados are considered one of the most nutrient-dense fruits and provide a well-rounded nutritional profile that few other fruits can match. Heart health benefits. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, a healthy fat that has been shown to support heart health. These beneficial fats can help lower LDL cholesterol while maintaining or increasing HDL cholesterol, promoting a healthier cholesterol balance. This combination supports healthy blood pressure, reduces strain on the cardiovascular system, and may lower the risk of developing heart disease over time. In addition to their healthy fats, avocados provide potassium, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which contribute to better heart function and overall cardiovascular health. Some research has also linked regular avocado consumption with improved blood vessel function, healthier circulation, and a reduced risk of long-term cardiovascular problems when included as part of a balanced, heart-healthy diet. Weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, avocados can actually support weight control. Their fiber and healthy fat content promote fullness, reducing overall hunger and snacking throughout the day. Studies show people who eat avocados tend to have smaller waistlines and better diet quality overall. Digestive and eye health. The fiber in avocados supports gut health and regular digestion. Additionally, avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your eyes from age-related damage and support long-term vision health. Possible side effects. While avocados are generally safe, moderation matters. Their high calorie and fat content can contribute to weight gain if overeaten. Some people may experience allergic reactions, especially those allergic to latex. Excessive intake may also interact with blood-thinning medications due to vitamin K content. That's everything you need to know about avocados. Add them to your diet wisely and enjoy the benefits this amazing fruit has to offer. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.